Tem alguém online aí no meu canal? Olá pessoal, tudo bem com vocês? Espero que sim. Para quem não me conhece, eu me chamo Adélia e esse é mais um vídeo para o canal, iniciando o vídeo de rotina. Hoje eu vou trocar roupa de cama e vou fazer mais outras coisinhas. Vem acompanhar o vídeo, já chega deixando o seu like, se inscrevendo no canal e ativando o sininho das notificações para você não perder nenhum vídeo aqui no canal. Pessoal, me digam aí nos comentários se a casa de vocês é quente ou é fresca. A minha é bem fresca, então lá fora tá até um pouco calor, mas dentro de casa não. Aí eu fico dentro de casa, eu sinto frio. Eu vou lá fora, eu sinto calor.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I. We go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I. It's you and I. I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles in lights out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I knew.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground, so we can fly again, 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 so we can fly again. I've been trying hard not to go out of my mind. And all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you.
Pessoal, espero que vocês tenham gostado do vídeo. Fiz um pouquinho de cada coisa. A varanda eu lavei por cima, porque não tá caindo água e eu ainda tinha lavado roupa. Perigo. Mas vai voltar água mais tarde, aí enche a caixa. Deixem aquele like, se inscrevam no canal e ativem o sininho. Aguardo vocês no próximo vídeo aqui do canal. Tchau!
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice.